So let's start up with a haul. Somehow I ended up ordering a bunch of things and they all came in at the same time. So let's start. So the first one is this one. Hindi niyo kasi siya makita. But I got a portable power station. Box na lang to kasi I had to check if gumagana siya. And this one actually has 80,000 milliampere kasi sunod-sunod rin yung typhoon lately. So I just wanted to be sure, you know, in case of emergency, gano'n. Kasi even if there are places that I know meron silang generator and I can go there for electricity, you know, it can be unsafe, lalo na pag, syempre, malakas na yung ulan at hangin, di ba? So, I decided to get one for my peace of mind and also para rin sa mga biglaang brownout and power interruptions, I decided to get one. Now, let's move on to the small stuff first. I have a few things here. Next up are hair accessories. So, I got new hair gloss. And, akala ko same size sila. I mean, they're from the same ad, basically. But, yeah, the green one is bigger. And, ang laki niya. But, it's still cute. I really like the color. I've really been into green lately. Then, I also got a white one. I think this is like the perfect size. But, with my thick hair, I think this will still come in handy, pero I just like it to be around this size. Anyway, I still like it naman. They still look very nice. And then I also got hair ties. I don't know what this is. It's like, is this a donut or I don't know, but I got the red one and the cream one because I've been tying my hair a lot lately and I also keep losing them. So yeah, I've been tying my hair a lot with, you know, yoga and Pilates and pickleball because we are in our hobby era, but it's been a lot of fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a lot of fun. And how did we get there? Oh, hair ties. Anyway, moving on. Ooh, oh yeah. Okay, so the next one that I got, I'm very excited about because I've been looking for something like this. Hold on, let me show it to you the proper way it should be. Yay! So, this is a photo album for your Instax films. Hold on, let me get my Instax. Hello! I am so happy. So, this is what it looks like. You can store 3 per page and hindi siya yung snug fit as in gumagalaw yung film, pero hindi rin naman siya yung mahuhulog. But yeah, back to back din siya. So you can definitely put a lot of your Instax film here kasi personally sometimes I don't know where to put my Instax films anymore, lalo na dumadami sila. But yeah, I'm so happy with this one. If you're also interested, I will link it down below as well as everything else that I'm mentioning here. So yeah, I am so happy with this one. So the next one is another photo album, but this one is for your photo booth photos. This is how it looks like. Hala, ang cute niya talaga. And maganda yung quality nung parang, what do you call this? The clear filler stuff. But yeah, it's very nice, very smooth, and fairly thick. Back to back mo din siya pwedeng lagyan. And I have a lot more like photo booth photos, but I still have to look for them. But so far, I like it. I'm so excited to compile all the photos, the printed ones that I have. Hello. Very nice purchase. So the next one is actually a free. Pero nauna siyang dumating kesa dun sa product that I actually ordered. And it's supposed to be a USB fan, but it's falling apart. Hold on. It's from Sim Plus, and meron siyang USB Type-C, and then it's a USB fan. Hold on, how do I open this? Hoy, hello, Mandar. Wait lang po. Ooh, like that. Okay, press. Ooh. Oh, there's two options, but I got this one from Simplus. It's free and it's quite compact, so this will come in handy. Kung saan free yung fan is from this purchase. I'm very excited about this one. I finally decided to get a bigger dehumidifier after my Palengke bag incident na nag-mold siya, and then I had to send it in for restoration and cleaning. It was traumatizing, and sobrang worried lang ako for all of my other things, my shoes, my bags, all that. So I decided to get one na, and let's open it. This was also pre-ordered, so ang tagal niyang dumating, but I don't like the sound of styrofoams. Oh, it's heavy, my dear. Ano ba? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ang bigat niya. Oh my gosh. This is a lot more high-tech than the one that I have. So it doesn't say sa box kung ilang liters siya. I'll try to put it on the screen, but let me just open this. Sasaksak natin siya. Abot ba? Abot. Can you guys hear the air? But sabi nila pag red, it's high humidity. And here, let me show you. So this is what it looks like. It has a lock, speed, timer, and then there's the monitor here. Then humidity, mode, and power. So let's on that. So the light is red, ibig sabihin high humidity mode. What's with mode? Oh my gosh, what does it mean? I will definitely have to figure it out pa. So this is a lot more high-tech, I feel like, than the one that I currently have, because that one is a lot smaller. I think 1.5 liters or 2 liters lang ata yun. But this one is a lot bigger, with bigger capacity definitely. So I'm excited. I will test this sa office tonight. Then I will update you guys. I will also try to update you guys sa kanyang electric consumption, kasi I think this will also take up quite a bit. And also I thought I should mention it has wheels. Exit. But yeah, because it is quite heavy rin talaga, so it's great that it has wheels. Okay, so lastly we have here from 815, as you can see. I got another luggage, and I also got my last two luggages from them. I have the medium one, and then I also have the cabin one where you can put your laptop sa harap. And I decided to get a large one now. And honestly, if you're gonna get one luggage for check-in, like if you're contemplating whether to go for medium or large, because parang large sounds overwhelming na parang wow, ang laki naman. But trust me when I say go for the large one. Kasi I've been traveling with the medium one and parang lagi siyang bitin. I feel like the minimum check-in allowance is like 20 kilos. And never nag 20 kilos yung luggage ko. And while that may seem like a good thing kasi hindi ka mag-over baggage, I feel like hindi niya na ma-maximize yung baggage allowance. So might as well go for the large one na talaga. And also kasi pag magaang lang pero like bulky yung mga iuuwi mo, the last time I went to Thailand, I bought a lot of like snacks, so they're quite bulky but they're very light. So parang yung luggage ko noon is like 14 kilos lang ata. So there's a lot pa. So I don't know anong pinaglalaban ko, but go for the large one. I feel like you won't regret it. And if you're also the type na hindi na nagdadala ng cabin luggage or like the carry-on luggage, and you just want one na nandun na lahat, the large one is the way to go. Anyway, let's open this. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Wow! So yes, we got a pink luggage. I'm so kilig. Also, I don't know why I keep getting light colored luggages. Sobrang na-stress ako sa white luggage ko na I'm at a point na hinahayaan ko na siya. Na let it be its personality na. But I got a pink one because I love pink. And also, ang ganda ng pagka-pink niya. So, let's try to open it. Okay. So, this is what it looks like. It's not like other luggages na pag binuksan mo hati siya. But I think this is a lot better kasi there's more room, especially if bibili ka ng shoes. Mas madali siyang ipasok if you want to bring home the box. Also, I've been meaning to get rin a top open talaga. Kasi I want to see which one I would like better. Pero so far, kasi for me, this just makes a lot more sense when packing. Kasi VAR has the cabin version of this. And cabin is like 20-inch. So, sobrang liit lang niya isipin. Pero sobrang dami niyang napapack doon. So, the large one is 28-inch. I know 26-inch is also considered large, but this one is 28. And I think ready na siyang mag-shopping. Okay, so that is everything that we have for this mini haul. Everything will be linked down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Hi guys, so now we are going to the market. Kasi my tita is here. Tajin, say hi.
Hi!
and she's here to help me. Pagluluto raw niya ako ng food habang nasa bakasyon siya. And pupunta kami ng Palengke, which I don't always get to go. And if I do, usually parang nasa bungad lang ako sa mga fruits lang. But today, bibili talaga tayo ng mga meat, veggies, everything. So, I will take you guys with me. Let's go! Hi guys, so that happened. I had to get another laptop. I'm actually spending the weekend here at bars, and so this is what happened. So the past few days my laptop had been acting up, and it was quite stressful talaga kasi my touch bar, it actually, I think nasira siya a few months ago. How long has it been? Siguro mga 2 or 3 months? I think 4, probably around 3 to 4 months ago. Yung nag-glitch siya, ganun. And I did a lot of like troubleshooting with it, pero hindi talaga. So I just ended up turning it off kasi hindi ko rin naman siya talaga ginagamit. So I was also like really sad about that kasi hindi ko naman siya ginagamit. Tapos parang siya parang naging root nung sira. And I did also a lot of research, and it seems like maraming issue nga especially for people who bought the one with the touch bar. I think there's also the reason why wala na ring touch bar ngayon yung mga current models. But yeah, the past few days, however, sumunod naman yung keyboard. And buti nga, keyboard lang yung sumunod because I've heard cases na yung screen yung sumunod na nasira. But as a writer, I couldn't write anything. It was so funny and also like so stressful. I was like at the point of copy-pasting letters, as in letters. But buti na lang I have an iPad with a keyboard, so I didn't have to get a new keyboard na. But I was so worried also kasi parang with things like this, I feel like with Apple, basta 1-year-old na yung laptop mo, the repairs are going to be costly and it's going to be hard. Tapos, I did find one na they can repair the keyboard, but also they still have to inspect it. But it's going to take a couple of days. And I have to work, I have to study and everything. Like, this laptop is my life. That's also why I was so sad kasi ang dami na namin pinagdaanan ng laptop na to. Like, this laptop kasama ko siya everywhere I go talaga. So, it was also hard for me to let go. I decided to get a new one. Kahit medyo mabigat sa puso ko. But, I got a new one today. Kasi I checked the loop, yung the loop sa SM Baguio. And they didn't have the color that I wanted because I usually stick to like space gray lang talaga. And usually, honestly, with things like this, it takes me forever to decide like which color to get, which model to buy. But now, I was like of course, it was like sort of an emergency na I have to get a new one in case na biglang it falls apart na hindi ko siya talaga magamit totally. So, buti na lang, yung mall malapit kay Lavar, meron silang stock ng space gray. So, I just had to wait like 2 days to get here. Tapos, yeah, ended up getting a new one. And let's do kind of like an unboxing. Actually, na-unbox ko na siya dun to check if the laptop is good naman. Kasi also, dun ko lang siya pwedeng papalitan if there's anything that happens to this. And I'm going back to Baguio na like tomorrow. So this is what it looks like. This time I got the MacBook Air. I was using the MacBook Pro before and I even upgraded the RAM of this one to 16 gigabytes. Pero hindi ko naman siya like fully na maximize. So I decided to get the MacBook Air na lang this time. And also kasi I feel like even their MacBook Air now with their own M-line chip, parang I feel like it's a lot better in performance na talaga, even their base models. And, whew, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. So, this is what she looks like. Let's turn it on. Ta-da! Ta-da! So, yeah. Well, I already set it up and all that, so also it started raining. Anyway, I just had to give you guys an update. Also, baka kasi you're also like experiencing the same thing with your MacBook Pro with a touch bar and all that. But now I don't have a touch bar no more, so less worries for me. But yeah, it's raining now. So that's all for now.